Begin the lift slowly.
Roger that. Cable tension increasing. All ground teams, stand clear of the hull.
Keep it steady on the right side.
Keep the tension steady on the forward line.
Aye, steady as she goes.
Look at the corrosion here. We need photos of this section right away.
The barnacle coverage is almost total near the bow.
All right, lift on 3. Got it. Watch the rust. Clear the way by the door. Ready, heave. Harder now, push it through. Tension coming up. She's breaking free. Watch the rust. Keep it steady, steady. Keep the pressure steady. It's moving. She's free. All right, easy now. Bring it up slowly. More pressure on the jack. Okay, it popped. Get the chain ready. Watch your feet. Coming down now. Make sure those lines are clear below. Clear on this side. Keep it coming down slow.
All bolts are clear. We have a green light for the lift.
Roger that. Commencing lift sequence now. Watch the alignment, team. Okay, keep the pressure on. It's moving. There, get the shovel. Look at this, it goes all the way up here, and this section here is completely compromised too. We need to expand the removal area significantly. If you look here at frame 72, the plate is dangerously thin.
Confirmed. Severe corrosion noted on the starboard side.
We are at the lower limit here.
Yes, 25 millimeters, that's within tolerance.
A little more pressure on the left side. Hold it right there. Let's check the alignment again.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Easy, easy, easy. Keep it coming down. Bring her down 50 centimeters. Watch the flange on the port side. Okay, easy, easy. She's seated. Check the starboard side measurement again.
It's exactly to spec.
All right, secure it for welding. The alignment looks good on this end. Okay, secure the prop. I'm starting the weld. We're ready for the second pass over here. The alignment looks good on this end. Okay, secure the prop. I'm starting the weld. We're ready for the second pass over here. Align the clamp on section 4. It's secure. Ready for welding outside. We're going to go inside. We have a strong indication here. Mark that spot.
All right, let me take care of it.
Okay, run the probe again. A little to the left. Okay, hold it there. We've got the holes aligned. Bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Looks good. Start the bolts on my mark. Torque engaged. Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the hatch. All right, easy, easy. We're lined up now. Go ahead and set it down. Start the impact drivers. Easy now. Bring it down just a few inches. All right, checking the alignment on this side. Looks good. Send the bolt through. All right, easy now. Settle it onto the studs. Begin the cross pattern torque.
Shaft alignment is within specification, ready for the panel.
Push it starboard. Watch the gap. Okay, hold it there. Clamp it down now. Hold it steady right there. All right, I'm starting the wrench. Make sure that gasket is seated correctly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, easy now. Push it flush to the bulkhead.
We're clear. Get the bolts ready.
Okay, cut the next one to 75 centimeters.
Got it. Need to grab another clip over here.
This joint looks solid. Let's test the pressure. Okay, slowly to the left. Watch the alignment pin.
Got it. Hitting it with the wrench now.
We're clear on the trunking back here.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch the angle, it's hitting the hanger.
Got it. Start the screws.
Lower away slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Steady, steady. A little to the left.
Looks good. Bring it down. All right, push up slowly. I've got the clip.
It's seated now. Hand me the straight edge, please.
Looks good. Let's move to the next one.
Okay, push it up against the bulkhead.
Got it positioned.
Driving the clips now. Stand clear.
We need it flush against the bulkhead.
Almost there.
Check the level on the far right.
Does that align with the mounting points? Yes, past the impact wrench.
This side is flush against the bulkhead.
Good, I'll start the screws.
Lower slowly. Watch the starboard side clearance. A little to the left.
Perfect. Set it down gently.
The radar unit is secure.
Check the diagram for the ECDIS connection.
Looks correct. Powering up now.
Make sure that gland is tight. We need a weather tight seal.
It's secure. Hand me the cable ties.
Okay, the processor's secured. Check the connections on page 42.
Gyro cables are in.
Okay, easy, set it down gently.
Watch the alignment on the far side. I'm starting the torque wrench now.
Okay, the database is fully loaded. Initiate the alarm test sequence.
Alarm outputs tested and confirmed working. Checklist complete.
All right, initiating the power sequence.
Lights are green across the board.
Propulsion control system fully initialized. Excellent work.
Engine room, this is the bridge. Initiating alarm sequence and propulsion interlock test now.
Roger that. All systems confirmed operational. Checklist complete.
Okay, I'm kicking it now.
A little more tension on the left side. Perfect, hold it.
I'll start the adhesive right here. Did you test the thermostatic valve?
Yes, calibrated perfectly. All the connections are secure.
Center that one right there. Make sure the base is flush before you bolt it down.
Got it. Heading to the aft section now.
Bring the bar unit forward slowly.
Watch the corner, it's heavy.
We need the drill to secure the deck mounts now.
Make sure that edge is perfectly flush. I've got the spacers right here. Check the alignment on this side. Is the level reading correct on your side?
Yes, it's perfectly aligned now.
Go ahead and secure the final bolts.
All right, hold it steady right there. Looks level.
Got it. Should I tighten this bolt now?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm finishing up the wiring over here.
A little higher on the left. Okay, hold it there. Check the level now. Okay, the center table is secure. Start tightening the starboard bolts.
Got it. Using the impact driver now. We'll have this finished by lunch.
Wiring connected. Checking continuity now. Looks good. The green light confirms the circuit. Careful with the cable entry here.
It's secure on the bracket.
All right, connecting the terminals now.
Is it seated? Yes, start tightening slowly. Okay, putting pressure now. Make sure that cable gland is tight.
Almost there. How's the alignment on the lower deck?
Needs to come down a few degrees.
Okay, push it in right there.
Got it. Did that click securely?
Yes, keep going. All right, try tilting it up now. Working smoothly. The manual override is functional.
Make sure that bolt is secure. We can't have it rattling loose.
I'm running the conduit now, almost to the gland.
Okay, I've got the cable pulled through.
Give it a test now.
Confirmed. Working perfectly. Let's move to the next one. All right, next one goes here by the ladder. Got it. We need another length of conduit for this run. Coming right up. Torque is good on this one. Check the forward ballast vents. Looks clear down here at the stern.
We're looking good on the forward seams.
Head back to the propeller.
Start sequence initiated. DC bus voltage stable.
Main contactors closed. Green across the board, Chief.
Excellent. All parameters nominal. Well done, team.
Dock operations confirming propulsion running. Radio check.
Bridge to Station 3, system check.
All tests passed. Marking complete.
The sound levels are stable. I'll just cross-reference the log entries.
Congratulations on the PC2 certification, Captain.
Thank you, Inspector. An honor for the crew.